To day 3 days after I dropped off the Knuckle. 120 bucks. I was quoted 50, but they ran into problems, and that's put me in a position of I can't afford to get the other side done. Although the bearing on the other side is not the problem, it's the ball joint. I just have to supply the part with the van for that. So when the bearing does finally fail on the right hand side, that the part's he's already got the part, just needs to pay someone to put it in. Now there's the Knuckle there. You can see, hard to turn, no noise. That's good to go. Now what wouldn't surprise me is that if he pressed the first one in, he's made a mistake, and what I've done is paid for another bearing and his work. That would make more sense to why I've had to pay so much more. From 50 to 120, it's a big jump. I'd say that's the price for another bearing. Anyway, it is what it is. I don't complain about them because they are a good mechanic normally. But people do make mistakes, and if they try to wear it another way, that's fair enough. Alright, so I just wanted to show you around here. Now, around the wheel studs, that needs to be cleaned up so it's all nice and smooth and clean in there. And also in here, because I'm not going to be putting this back on the same way it came off, obviously, and over the years it gets built up behind there and whatnot, so it's not a problem as long as the same rotors in the same position. But once you take them off and you've got to put them back on, you're not putting them back on the same way, and just a slight little bit of dirt in the wrong spot, give that rotor a bit of a wobble, you're going to feel it in the brakes a lot. So you're going to get the wire brush in here, clean all that up, degrease this and whatnot, clean all that up as well before I put that on. Right, so I'm going to paint the tyres. Now these tyres I'm using right now are actually bought for my four-wheel drive Tarago. I just haven't been able to use them because the car's unregistered, obviously. The tyres that are currently on the van are not roadworthy. So to give Dean some decent size grip on his tyres, you can see that's where it was on my Tarago and parked in the yard. I'm cleaning up these. I'm going to spray them with Raptor, so that's basically a before. And that's an after. But wait, there's more. And there we go. So that's my four-wheel drive rims dress rims that I've bought for the four-wheel drive Tarago as well. I paid 60 bucks for them, but I decided I'm not going to use them anymore, and I figured they'd look better on this van than what I plan on doing on mine. There you go. Doesn't look too bad. You won't see the full effect until the van's back down. I've got the other side to do yet. But that's pretty much how she's going to look when she's all put back together, all four wheels. And just quickly, I want to give you a look. This is why I'm changing all the tyres. These were all brand new a year ago, or a year and a half ago. I don't know how anybody can run all four tyres like this. And that's the one that I've had to take off because I didn't trust it. And there's another one that's got wire coming out. And it was like, I don't know, how does that happen? You know, driving a bit too quick around corners. The lady says that she's the only one that's driven the van, but I just can't see her driving it quickly around corners, so I reckon that someone else has been driving it. That's enough for this one. Still working on the rust and still got the tail shaft and stuff to do. Till next time, guys, cheers.